Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of the Business Process Model and Notation, better known as BPMN 2.0, in 60 seconds or less.
Number 1. Clarity. BPMN removes any confusion about how and why processes are carried out. This eases communication and can even improve employee morale. 2. Competitiveness. The clarity offered by BPMN helps businesses enhance their efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. This is invaluable in increasingly competitive market landscapes. 3. Neutrality. BPMN is a neutral graphical language. It can accommodate any tool or framework in virtually any industry or sector. In short, any business can benefit from BPMN. 4. Evolution. BPMN diagrams can demonstrate exactly how different decisions will impact a business. This is a great help to decision makers and helps organizations to evolve in the face of new challenges and opportunities. And 5. Alignment. BPMN creates clarification between business and IT. This makes it easier to ensure that IT is fully aligned with high-level business goals, while also ensuring that IT gets the support it needs. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on business process and analysis topics, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.